taught by a cyber resilience specialist. This fully accredited course will familiarize you with the key elements of the RESILIA framework and how it enhances cyber resilience. You'll start with an introduction to the framework and how it can benefit an organization. You'll also learn how decisions impact cyber resilience, as well as how to integrate RESILIA into your business and operational management practices. Once you start training, you will have access to hours of course material, expert resources, and tutor support. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go, wherever you are. An instructor will guide you through the course and provide expert narration, and animated videos help to break down key topics. Learning tips are included to help you remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course, and you can request a free exam voucher when you are ready to sit the official exam. You'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment, where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.